Hi everyone, well welcome to another video. I'm actually at home and I'm sitting down behind the computer and I'm editing up the video that you're about to watch. But before it gets started, I just wanted to give a shout out to the company that I'm doing the video about today, and it's actually Novsight. It's not this product here. This is one I've done previously. These were the off-road 3-inch off-road driving lights. Make sure you check out my video on that. But I do want to give a shout out to Novsight because Novsight have got on board with the Legends for Charity. I just wanted to let you know before you get into the video. As you know, we're having a camping event in August this year, and we're raising money for RACQ Lifelight and Ark Animal Rescue. We've already raised over $12,000. We're hoping to make 20 and even more, and it's through kind donations from companies like Novsight. There's plenty of others. Get on the website, check them out, that we've been able to get some great prizes and raise some great money. Thanks to Brett from SMG for supplying the shirts. Great design. Don't forget to get onto his website and check them out. But I just wanted to also tell you, which I forgot to do in the video, that Novsight have still got my discount code. You can get 10% off if you go to their website. When you go into the checkout, put in SAW67 and you'll be able to get a 10% off anything you purchase. So thanks very much. I won't hold you up any longer because who knows how long this video will be. I'm still editing up, but we'll get into it now, and I'll be sitting down behind this camera here and telling you all about the product that I'm reviewing today. Cheers guys, thanks for watching, stay safe, see you in a second. Morning everyone, Steve here, how's everyone going? Well, we're out camping and I thought I've got to start this video sitting down because I'm testing out my new Sony camera. I'll put a photo of it up on the screen there. This is the first video that I have done with this camera. So hopefully I'll look all right. I've got a little remote control over here and it's also a tripod. So I can zoom in and say hi and zoom out and say bye. So today's video is a product spotlight. Yeah, as you know, I have done quite a few videos for a company called Novsight, and they make all sorts of gear. They make rooftop tents, they make driving lights, they make light globes, all sorts of products. Get onto their website and check them out. I've got their lights in the car, also got the new off-road fog lights, driving lights. I did a video about those a while back, and they've been absolutely fantastic. They've been great for those foggy mornings during winter, and with winter coming up again, they'll be absolutely fantastic. And Novsight also have been great to me. They've sent me out a few products. They actually sent me out this a few weeks back, and it's a super bright LED flashlight. Now these aren't available to everyone. They're only a special item that they like to send out to some of their supporters of their company. And they made this one up for me and sent it out to me, and I'll tell you what, it is absolutely fantastic. Comes in this great box here. I'll come over to the camera there so you can get a good look at it there. So you can see on the front there, it's got Novsight and it's got Soar Adventures written on the front of the light. Look at the glow, look at the lens on the front of that light. This is one of those high-powered, super bright flashlights. And I tell you what, it can go for half a kilometre, I reckon. It is absolutely fantastic. It's USB rechargeable, and it's all aluminium, like it's really solid, absolutely well-made product, like all their products I found. Absolutely fantastic, and I love their packaging, like little just the little things, like little magnetic box that it comes in to keep it protected. So that's that there. But today's product, and this is only a new product that they are currently making, and I'll tell you what, I used this last night. I've boxed it back up so I can show you how it comes, but I'll just zoom the camera in a little bit closer. There we go. A little bit closer so you can see it. Comes in this great little box here. Novsight on the back there. And the packaging itself, they've tried to use something that's a little bit more environmentally friendly, but all cardboard, so it's recycled cardboard. That's absolutely fantastic. But what is it? You're dying to know what it is. Stop jibber jabbering, Steve, and just show everyone. Corellas are making all sorts of noise above me. They're going off. Let's open her up and I'll show you what it is. 2 boxes inside here. I'll put the carton down. We'll open this one up first because this is part of what goes on the other box, and see if you can guess what it is. So it's nicely packaged. There's that part there. It's what do you reckon it is? I'll put it to side over there, and we'll open up the other one. Yeah, they make some great products, Novsight. I was on their website there the other night having a look at it. They've got some rooftop tents. I'd love them to bring those to Australia, and all sorts of four-wheel drive and camping products coming out, lights. There's a USB cable, USB-C to USB. And here we go. Here's the product. Like I said, I was using this last night, and on the front here, I'll just zoom in a little bit more so you can see it. That's backwards, Steve. So on the front there, you can see there's a little protective film that's over the top of the lens. So we'll just pull that off, put it aside, and my phone's going ding ding as usual. I'm in the middle of nowhere, and people up on the hill there are sending stuff, probably playing Timu or something like that. And there it is there. It's a little camping light. This is very solid, like it's got a little bit of weight about it, and it's all cast aluminium, I presume. It's got a rubber seal running around the front there to protect the front edge, probably if you drop it. And in the center here, you've got your light. Now there's 2 lights in here. There's a soft white, like dim light, like a mood light if you want to call it. And there's also a higher beam white light as well. On the top here, there's a USB socket. I'll just pull the cover. So I'll pull the cover, I'll hold it away with my finger in there, and you've got your USB-C and you've got your USB. You can use this as a charging station as well, so your phone goes flat and you need to get some power, you can plug it into there and charge it up. The specs on it, it is lithium ion battery inside it. It's 3.7 volts, 13,500 milliamp battery inside it, 50 watt hours, so that's a fairly long battery life in it, so 50 watt hours. Input is USB 5 volt and 3 amp, and 9 volt 2 amps. Rated power 13 watts, output USB 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volt 1 amp. So there's all the specs on there. And on the back here as well, there's 2 dials. And also down the bottom here, there's a little button. I'll show you what all those are. It looks like a smiley face from the camera there, doesn't it? 2 eyes and a mouth. And these dials here are adjustable. So they're a little twist dial to turn the light. I'm not going to turn it on because I'll blind myself, but I'll turn it sideways there and I'll turn the dial and you'll see the light come on the screen there probably. I'll turn the other one on and you can see it come on there. Now I'll press the bottom light and you might be able to see the little red light come on the bottom there as well. So the red light is probably for an emergency light. So say you're stuck on the side of the road and you need to turn that on just to make people aware of where you are, or if you're lost or something at night, you can turn that on. Now, the good thing about this light, it has this cover here. The thing that I was showing you there earlier and said, what is it? That's got a thread on the front of it, and inside the front here, there's a tiny thread as well. So you can put that on there, line her up, hold your tongue the right way, screw that in there, and you've got a little diffuser that defuses the light so it's not so bright in your eyes. I'll see if I can turn that on, and you can see that soft white light there. I'll turn this on at night in a minute and show you what it looks like, and show you how bright it is. I'll turn that one off and I'll turn the white light on. So there's the white light. Looks absolutely fantastic, doesn't it? It's a great little light. On the bottom here as well, there's an adjustable bracket. Now this bracket here has got a belt clip on the bottom there, so say you want to hook it onto your bag or onto a backpack or something like that. And in the bottom here is a, I think they call it a 1/4 thread. So this camera thing here would fit into that. I'll zoom the camera back again, and so you can see all me again. On the bottom there's also a magnet. So the magnet is great for sticking it to the side of your vehicle or that. Say you want to get up in the bonnet, you could stick it up underneath the bonnet of your car or on the side of your car at night. Say you need a work light, you've backed up to your campsite, you haven't got any lights on your car, you can hook this up on the side of your car. This table here is actually metal, so I'll just sit it on there for you like that. And I'll quickly tip that up and you can see how well that light is sticking to that table. So how good is that? The perfect camp light, I reckon. This thing is absolutely amazing. And the other good thing about it, with that 1/4 thread on the bottom there, you can screw a mount. They do have a stand for it. I'll put a photo of it up on the screen. They didn't have it any in stock when they posted me this light out. They are going to post me one out. I'll show you that when I get it. So you could put that in just about any little stand, and there you go. You got a little freestanding light. You could put it up on a camera tripod if you wanted to, if you got a camera tripod. Anything with a 1/4 nut. So absolutely fantastic. What we might do now is we'll cut to the car, and I'll show you that little bit of a clip. I'll get Terry to hold the camera for me tonight, and we'll show you that little bit of footage. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully it's not too dark for the camera to pick it up, and then we'll come back and finish off, eh? Cheers everyone. Okay guys, I'll just turn the light on, and you can see there the light. Hopefully that's working in the camera lens. I can't see what's going on. You might be able to picture my face there, and that's the white light. So you can, it's got a controller on the back, so you can turn that up really bright, and I'll get Terry to pan the camera out around the side there so you can see how much light that is putting out.
Yeah, it's putting out heaps.
If I turn it off, turn it back on again.
Yeah.
Now that's the white light, and it's also got a dull light. So if you don't want it so bright. Now this cover that's on the white cover, like I was saying earlier, you can take that off if you want a more beam light. But the great thing about this, like I was saying earlier, on the bottom it's got a magnetic base as well as a threaded base. So you can stick it up on the side of your car like that, and you've got a perfect work light or a light to light up your campsite if you're travelling. So this is a fantastic product from Novsight. I've showcased a lot of their products. I reckon this one is absolutely fantastic for anyone that will be camping. So make sure you get onto their website. We'll go back to daylight now, and we'll finish off. One thing though before I do, I'll just show you. We'll turn this off. On the bottom down here, there's a little button with a red light. Now, why would you want a red light? Say you break down at night and you need something to put behind the back of your car. You can sit that up on the back of your car, and you've got a warning light to anyone that may be coming up behind you on the highway. So that is an absolutely great idea. So that's about it for what I can show you now. We'll go back to the daylight, and I'll finish off, eh? Cheers. How's everyone going? I'm back home. I just thought I'd show you one more thing with the Novsight camping light. Come home the other day, we're out here cooking a barbecue, got a bit dark, and haven't got a lot of lights out here. Have a look at the barbecue over there, fully lit up, and I'm using the Novsight light. There it is there. You can see the bright light. I've got it on my one of my old tripod stands, like I was saying earlier. It's got the 1/4 thread in it, so you can stick it on a stand or something. So if you've got an old camera stand or something, how good is this for lighting up your barbecue, even if you're at home or even if you're out on the campsite? You can stick it up beside your fire, light up what you're cooking, and you have plenty of light. Cheers, everyone. Let's get back and finish off. Okay, everyone. Well, it's the next morning. It's overcast. And we'll probably get some rain again. It was raining yesterday, so part and parcel of camping. How good was that footage, eh? I think it turned out okay. Corellas are still going mad this morning, must be rain coming, but absolutely perfect for hanging up on the side of your vehicle. Thanks to Terry from Handcrafted by Terry G for helping me out, filming that little bit of footage. This is a great product. You can buy this already, just get onto their website. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can check it out. The lens cap thing, you don't have to have it on there. You can take that off. You can just use that, stick it up to your vehicle. On the back too, down the bottom, just down the bottom there, when you turn this on, I'll just turn it on so you can see there, maybe there's 4 little lights. That's just your battery level. So it has got a battery level monitor on the back there. That's the button for your little red light if you want to switch it on. And there are your 2 buttons for your dim and that on the top there. So a great little product from Novsight. Thanks. So that's about it. If you've got any questions, queries or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks to Novsight and thanks to all our other sponsors for the Legends for Charity. Cheers everyone. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I'm going to go make a cuppa.